Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure Visual Studio is up to date because many visual issues are fixed in updates. Once done, open Tools, Options, Environment, General, and choose a base theme. Dark is easier on eyes for long sessions. Then install the color theme extension to expand palette choices and toggle quickly. This gives you a consistent foundation and prevents later tweaks from conflicting. It also speeds up the rest of the styling process. Next, refine the editor because this is where you spend most time. You should pick a mono font like Consola's or Cascadia and set size between 11 and 14 so code density and readability balance. Once done, tweak line height and selection / caret colors to improve focus. Higher contrast reduces errors. Make sure bracket highlighting and editor zoom are enabled for easy navigation, and consider turning on ligatures if you prefer. Finally, arrange the workspace so your most used panels are immediately available. Pin Solution Explorer and Output, and auto-hide less critical windows. Install a modern icon pack to make commands scannable and remove unused toolbars to reduce visual clutter. If things go wrong, colors mismatched or sluggish rendering, reset the settings or disable hardware acceleration in Tools options to isolate the issue. Make sure to export your configuration once satisfied so you can restore it quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.